Welcome everyone! Today we'll be learning and playing with the VTech Smart Chart Medical Kit. Let's turn it on!
Hi, doctor. It's time to start seeing some patients. Quiz time. Touch a picture to answer the questions. This patient has a rash. Can you find the patient that has a rash? Yes, nice job, doctor. Rash. This patient has an itchy red rash. What part of the body has a rash? Good one. Arm. Do you see the patient that has a fever? Excellent! Fever. Oh, their temperature is 100 degrees. Which tool would you use to check for a fever? Yes, nice job, doctor. Thermometer. Which tool should I use to give a patient a shot? Good one. Syringe. The patient is sick and needs a shot with some medicine. Which body part would you normally give a shot in? Excellent. Arm. The rib bones protect the heart and lungs. Can you touch the rib bones? Yes, nice job, doctor. Bones. Did you know your body has 206 bones? Do you remember which part of the body has the funny bone? Good one. Arm. Can you touch the hand? Excellent! Hand. We use our hands to touch, feel, and explore new things. Which patient has a cut on their finger? Yes, nice job, doctor. Cut. Can you touch the eyes? Good one. Eyes. You use your eyes to see things. Find the tool that can check a patient's eyes. Excellent. Otoscope.
Let's learn about the different illnesses here.
Cut. Ow. Rash. Stomachache. Oh. Fever. Earache. Cough. Remember to cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze.
That was so much fun playing and learning with the VTech Smart Chart Medical Kit with you today. Remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun learning activities.